of the biggest decisions you'll ever make for your home is how you keep it comfortable. So we're pulling back the curtain to show you the hands, the hard work, and the heart that goes into every Trane system that Logan Services installs in your home.
What I find that I like most about it, I'm actually creating something. And I'm creating something that affects a lot of people.
We take care of these units like if it was going to be one of ours.
The unit in front of you is the only unit you're going to make today. And that unit is going to your mother's house. So we need to make sure it is the best unit that we've ever created.
And we're testing it similar to how it would operate in the field, except for we're testing it much more extreme conditions that really stress the components in the system.
To have a great product, you gotta have the durability. It's gotta be able to last.
We have the best brand, and it is our job to maintain that brand.
Nobody in the industry is doing what we're doing here at Trane, and that's what makes this company special.
Our goal is to provide you with maximum comfort inside of your home.
I think about the houses that they're going to and the comfort that they'll bring to families, from the factory to the road to their house. That a lot went into getting it there.
We look at Logan Services, we want to be a premier provider to our customers. It's the best product in the HVAC industry.
So in all of the research that I've done online, Trane always came up as one of the top brands.
I think the people should know that we take pride in our work and know that the customer is happy with their decision to go with us.
So knowing that I could come in and make a change to people's houses, it really gives me a good feeling.
Well, I love my family enough to get the best Trane that I can buy. You know, they take care of my family and they treat you like family.
When they say it's hard to stop with Trane, they just want to keep running.
At the end of the day, what customers want in their home is they want to be comfortable in their house and they want to have peace of mind that the equipment's going to work.
We want our employees to be proud to work for Logan Services. We want our customers to be proud to do business with us.
So Logan Services making home comfort easy means we walk in, we provide the best experience, we leave and you're comfortable. Really providing an experience that no one else in our industry is doing right now. Everything we do is to ensure that we are providing our customers that fast, friendly service and making sure we live up to that promise. That is what family-owned and operated feels like.
So come along with Logan Services as we show you how your Trane system goes from factory to family.